think about it, the entire goal of that project is to de-risk the purchase. Like, how can I save time? And time is money. So at the end of it, how can I de-risk this particular purchase? That is the essence of what we are trying to solve at a business
Hmm.
goal level. Now, all the data that we are collecting leads up to that one. And those risks could come in many forms, many shapes, exactly, right? What I mean by that is the infrastructure readily available in that land? Power, water, fiber kind of thing for the data center space, or it could be like, are the roads ready? What are the environmental hazards? One of those unsexy things within the land development around dealing with environmental hazards, people usually like are at least the customers that we spoke with are realizing that the land is contaminated, and they don't
Mm,
see the impact that it could have on their cost model, because they have to dig
right.
up like a few inches, clean it up, and that's all money. Like that's another thing that could eat into their profit margins. Just
Yeah.
imagine the power of data. I could give you some satellite images from 10 years or 20 years back and share certain information around, hey, there was a gas station here, I'm just making up some example,
Right,
or
right.
nearby I identified some caverns or some mining centers or something like that, which would give you that insights on what is below the ground, and it will give you some insights on what I should go do in the detailed due diligence, so that
Hmm.
I can de-risk. The power of what we are trying to do is a quick desktop and assessment. What
Hmm.
takes about 120 hours, we are trying to give the results in 10 minutes with all the information laid
Yeah.
out with references. Go take a look at all of these things and see whether this is something that you want to purchase, move forward. And not purchase, move forward on your due diligence, because you can actually go send somebody for detailed geotechnical surveys or things like
Right.
that, right?
Right.
So
Right.
those
Right.
are the
Right.
things that, the power of data that, you are actually talking about can help, these people that are in the decision making situations.